So yeah, hi friends. In the today's we are going to discuss about the how we can enable and disable uh, with the help of the command line. So we have command set sh advertising firewall and show all. So if you will see here, so it will be displaying you the firewall policy that is on firewall policy for this is for block inbound and outbound rules. So here if you will say this is the public profile settings, this is your private profile settings, and this is your domain settings. So all over them, if you will see, your firewall policy is enforced. Now I just want to stop this firewall policy. So how we can check that? So if you will see here, we have a command show firewall sh net sh advertise firewall. Now what we have to do, we have to set our profile. Set for all profiles, I want to set all profiles, profiles, and state I want to set as off. So when I just press just okay, so I think I just write something mistake. profile les profile, and then state it will be off. Okay, what it says? So it says that if you will see here, it is state here. So what we need to do, state is profile, state is off. But what's the mistake? Okay, let me, if you will see here, we have a command over here. I just copy paste this command. So if you will say, this will give me an error. The error is this is run with the help of an administration policy. So what you need to do, you just go to here and right click over here and open administrator. So just open it administrator and run the same command. So you will see here, we will get the okay here. Now we will go back and show the status is here. So if you will see here, our all statuses will be off. So this is the simple command. With the help of you can have block or unblock the, and same if you want to unblock it, you will just click on, and if you run it again, you will see the policy, the firewall policy is again activated. Yeah, thanks for watching.